Hello boys, today I realized that there is a bug in this shitty game, so we're going to recreate the bug. Okay, now
Yeah,
being serious, yeah.
that ear rape did hurt my ears a little. I believe
So I think it's in the other side of the mountain, right? Going from north to south, believe so.
probably.
I'm just going to drop in the in the top of it, and that way I remember.
I think I remember where it is. Flying towards it.
Watch the kill feed. I might get a kill. I don't know though. That's a big maybe.
Well, I'll keep you posted. Update my RSS feeds every once in a while.
Shit.
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 So C8 is there, C7 is there. I was right there. Oh, it's here, I believe. Is it here?
One?
Yep.
Yes,
Oh,
this one.
found it. Okay, so boys, for the butthole company, I mean Bluehole, yeah, you should fix this because I got stuck and now he needs to go down for me and grab me. Oh, no! One of my friends. Oh, there you go. Let's go. And yeah, so this is a fake rock, so you can hide there until Riot. Wow, Riot. Butthole decides to do something about it. Yeah, boys. So
if you jump in, you literally get stuck and you
yeah,
can't get out.
you need a partner. Oh, help me. Help me.
No, like if you jump in, you get stuck, but if you walk in, you can get out.
What?
So that is beautiful. So yeah.
That's how physics works, right?
Yes.
Well, you can
Now-
go. Oh my God, I'm stuck again. You know what?
Stop jumping in.
Yeah. I just wanted to recreate this like 40,000 times so they don't think it's a video edit because developers are like that. They just don't believe. And now let's
just
jump
prove
here
ourselves,
and
we'll just kill ourselves.
oh, almost. Next jump is going to be from here.
Also, realistically, people should die from a jump like that. At least break their legs.
And that's why I believe that servers should be free for everyone.
Damn it.
That way you can test all this shit. And I'm dead. There you go.
I believe I can
I mean, free now, but free of sponsorship.
I believe I can touch
There you go.
the sky.
Nice.
That was so dramatic.